Well, back to our project here. Now I'll show you how to um, have here in our attribute table all the data of the manholes register. Okay, I have the manholes register here and the pipelines register. How can I do that? And why? Why is to have a visual management of the area and all the information centralized in one place, making easier to manage all the systems. So how to do that? So to join the register, we need to proceed first. This register we need to proceed first on sanitizing of this data. Adjustment. The first adjustment we need to do here is to take out any merged field. So and keep the first line as the header of the line. So these lines here will not be needed and deleted. And as you can see, we have a lot of formats and formulas. This can't stay as well. So I'll create a new tab here, copy the whole table, come here and paste just as data. So I have the same here, and don't forget to take out another tab, and I'll save it here. Okay, saved. I'll go back to our QGis. I can just go to the folder, look at the prepared table and just drag it to our project. It is here, as you can see. If I open it as attribute table, you will see the register well organized. So now we will merge this information to our shapefile. How to do that? Just come here, double click. We come here to this field, joins, add a join. Which layer I want to join to our manhole shapefile will be the spreadsheet we just brought in. Which field we want to merge? In this case, I know the name here will be this one, which match with this one we already have on our shapefile. So the program will look at this field. I'll say the program to do that. This field new reference to match with this. So all this information will be brought to the right manhole. You'll see here. So again, add join layer will be the manholes. Which field? New reference to manhole. Create join layer in memory. Keep this way just in case to create a temporary attribute in case of not going well. And here I can select all the layers, all the fields I want to merge to join. If I just keep unchecked, it will brought all of them. And here is important to you check here and change, otherwise all your fields merged will come with this name, which I don't wanna. So delete it to come with these names to our table. And okay, it is merged already. Okay, apply, wait a bit. As you can see here, our shapefile already have all this data. It is here. So we have all this information here for this shapefile. Let's say what I mean. I will have this information here for As you can see here, just checking one by one, I'll have all the data. Okay, so how make this definite? We need to export this shapefile, and you'll see all the layers here, and you now export as a new manhole. Register. Now I'll copy this symbology I already have and paste. It is back here, and you'll see this source, this shapefile have all the data merged. Now I'll show you another way to have a good management of this data. I'll duplicate this layer, just duplicate it. Okay, it's not that I'm creating another shapefile, I'm just duplicating it here. And this one I'll rename it as manhole test. And here I'll change the symbols. I'll change it, the symbology. From type, I wanna now check based on the test result. Let's see what we have. Yeah, we have them fail, not applicable, pass, and all other different of this. So I'll change the symbol here. I don't want this symbol anymore. I don't want with a line, but I want a bigger one here. Classify. Yes, based on the test result. So the one which failed will be this one, the not applicable will be this one, the pass will be this one, a circle with this color, and all the others will be with this color. But if the failed, I want a red, and I want an effect here, draw effect of an outer glow. Outer glow will be red as well, like a neon, as you can see here. Okay, I'll copy this symbol, paste here for not applicable, for not pass, and for all the others. Not applicable will be, I don't know, if not applicable, let's say yellow or kind of orange. This orange will be a blue. Okay, I need to change the other glow to match this color. Okay, pass of course will be green, but it needs to be a different green because we have an asset already green. But let's think layer, change here to green. Okay, and apply. So here, as you can see, just looking at, I'll take out the label. As you can see, as you can notice, I can visually know this manhole was tested and failed, and it is related to water. Okay, storm water. Here fail, here storm passed. Let's see if we have an non-applicable here. Let's see, let's change all the others. All the others will be, I don't know, gray. And the glow, other glow will be black. Okay. No, yeah, all the other keys. Okay, we have this. Let's do the same for the pipelines. We have the pipelines here, and let's merge. I'll do it again, the same process. So I have the pipelines here, from to reference. So I'll take out these lines, delete, copy all of them, new tab, paste, just like the font, and delete this and save as pipeline register clean and save. It is here. I will close this one as well. I will bring here the register clean of the pipelines here. It is here. Okay, all good. But note, you need to note a small thing. We have here as well the attribute tables, from, to, and type. But what happened? We can't merge just from to from, because we might have situations like here, which we have from to. With some case we can have pipelines coming from the same manhole or going to the same manhole, as happens here. So we need to go very specific from to in just one field. So I'll create here a new field here in the features in this pipeline feature. I need to edit here. Let's merge. I'll create a new field here in the same way for this field, which have the section. So the name of the first manhole from, separate by space and a bar, space, and then the manhole 2 here. Then I'll have create a new field. The new field will be called the text, of course. Need to be a bit longer, not much. 25, I think it work, or more. No, it will be more because we have some long words. You will see. Output will be I don't know, section. Let's say this way, section. And here will be then the field. The first field, we can just copy exactly the name here. Fields and values will be from, bar, and then apostrophe, space, bar, space again, bar, and then the field 2. What is happening here, as you can see, the field will come here, the field from. These 2 bars is a comment of the expression builder to separate one expression to other, so it needs to be this. And then I added what I want to use here in the middle to connect both. So I typed between apostrophe. When you want to add something, I can even name, as you can see here, it appears. So everything between apostrophe you can type as a number, whatever you want. Again, a bar to separate this, and then the field 2. So it will work this way and run. We have here the section. Save, close. Now I will go to the properties again, join. I'll add the joins. The join will be the register. So to join the field from the register, will be the reference, which have the connections, okay, and the target will be the section I just created. I'll keep all of them. I'll not select one. Take out this and OK, and apply and OK. Here it is. So to this section we have the proper names. Let's try here so you can see. So we have all the information from the register. Of course, I will not keep this information duplicated, but before I adjust this, I'll save. No, I cannot do that now. I'll save this, export, save feature as. I'll keep all of them. I'll save as pipelines underline register. And here I can take out the duplicates. So I'll keep from, I have 2 and type. I can take section, can take 2 from this, and the location. All of this is from the register, and OK. So here I'll copy the symbology styles all and paste all styles. Okay. So this one, now we have all the information from the register. Okay. From to, okay. Let's open the output table. So from to type all the data. Just to check to be sure, it's strange coming from a tank. Let's go there. Oh, it's right. So it's coming from this tank to the manhole 13, process 13. So it's right. Okay. Now I'll do the same symbology I did before. I'll duplicate. I'll change the name for pipelines test and change the symbology again. Well, now the symbology will be easier, I think. From this, I'll use this standard they already have neon, and the value will be the test. Okay, test result, and I will classify. Yes. So fail, the color will be red. Okay, not applicable, as we said before. Let's say one kind of orange like this, but we need to change the outer glow as we did before. And I can change this here. Okay, just to keep the same pass, of course. Green, of glow to green. Okay, and here it will be kind of gray. The other row will be black. Okay, apply. All good. So visually we have the results, and let's say, for example, we are here. I'll open the attribute table for this, just to illustrate the example. I don't want to see all this data. Let's say I want to see, to keep it easier for me to work just with the names, the type, and if it passed or not. So I can click here, select all, and just keep only those fields I want to see. Okay, So test result, only this I want to know. Let's say I'm updating the works, so I just need to come here in this section, and let's say it was repaired and it is not failed anymore, and I want to update this. I just need to come here, change from test result from failed to pass, and let's see what happened. See, I just needed to update. This updated. Okay, let's go to this other here. Just prove my point here. This section. Okay. It's failed. I'll type test and save. See? And it is ready, good to work visually with the management of these assets. Let's say I just changed visually as I showed, if it passed or whatever, the diameter, whatever, and you want to work back in Excel to have a better presentation of this register, you just need to come here and export your shapefile, your feature, your dataset as XLS. Look for whatever the folder, and here table, save. Okay, it's saved. It brings here, no problem. Just close, go to your table. It is here. You can open on the Excel, and you have the information updated on QGis here, and then you can format the way you wanna. Okay, that's all for now.